Hi, in front of me is Nokia C20 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this Android device. Firstly, open Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type iOS Launcher and download this app from this developer. After that, open it. Now choose while using the app, then Allow and click Home button. Over here, click on iOS Launcher, select Always and tap Got it. As you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!